This is HH66 vinyl cement. It's the #1 adhesive for mending flexible PVC fabric. You know, vinyl. But if you're using HH66 to fix a leaky boat or paddleboard, repair a ripped car seat, or mend a tarp or tent or any of the thousands of objects you can repair with vinyl adhesive, then you're going to need more than just glue. You're going to need a vinyl patch. So what kind of vinyl patch? I'm Jana from RH Adhesives, and it's time for your crash course in vinyl fabrics. In this video, we'll get into what sets different kinds of flexible vinyl apart, and I'm going to suggest 3 questions you can ask to help you choose the right vinyl for your repair. But before we go there, let me say this. If you need to repair anything vinyl, the best place to start is with the company that made or sold you your vinyl item in the first place. See if the manufacturer sells scraps, or ask if your local store provides a patch kit. And do me a favor, when you do, tell them a key component in that patch kit is a tube of HH66 vinyl cement. Let's get to the details. Here are 3 questions to ask that help identify what kind of vinyl patch will match the item you're repairing. First question, do you need treated or untreated vinyl? Treated vinyl, which is sometimes called marine vinyl, is meant for outdoor use. It's treated to be resistant to UV and mildew. If the thing you're mending spends a lot of time outside, that matters. If it doesn't, maybe not. Your second question is, do you need reinforced vinyl or unreinforced vinyl? This might be the big one. Reinforced vinyl has another fabric, usually polyester, behind or inside it. And if you're repairing something made with reinforced vinyl, your patch needs to match. Here are some common objects made with polyester reinforced vinyl fabric. Heavy-duty tarps, inflatables like backyard bounce houses, inflatable watercraft, gym mats and sports field covers, general purpose tents. And here are some things made with unreinforced vinyl. Industrial curtains, geosynthetics used to stop erosion or hold water back, pool liners like for in-ground and above-ground pools. You'll also find some specialized vinyl reinforced in more unusual ways. Party tents might be reinforced with blackout fabric or have a high-gloss finish. Awnings and curtains for RVs and boats might use laminated vinyl. Upholstery for boat and car interiors might use reinforced vinyl that's lighter weight to be more flexible. I hope those lists help you identify the kind of vinyl patch you need, treated or not, reinforced or not. And when you buy that patch material, there's one more thing you should ask. What weight of vinyl do you need? Reinforced vinyl measures weight in ounces, where the weight is for 1 square yard of material. A tarp might be graded at 15 or 20 ounces. Boats might rate as high as 30. The more ounces, the heavier your vinyl. Unreinforced vinyl usually measures thickness instead of weight, using thousandths of an inch or mils as units. So a thick pool liner might be 30 mils, a thin one might be 20. Knowing the weight or thickness of your vinyl means you'll get a patch that's just as tough or as flexible as the vinyl you intend to mend. So that's your crash course. When you need a vinyl patch, ask, treated or untreated, reinforced or unreinforced, what weight or what thickness. Do that and you'll find a patch to match. One final warning. Before you do any of this, make sure the thing you want to patch is actually vinyl. HH66 won't work that well with nylon or with polyethylene. In fact, in the final video in this series, we'll look at the most common reasons why glues like HH66 don't work in a repair. Before you apply your patch, click on the link below to see that video. Or you can buy your HH66 right now at rhadhesives.com.